Close, but not enough. Ortiz in third. Paul Rodriguez knows that Ryan Sheckler likes
pressure.
The pressure. He lives for the pressure. So there's no way that he's going to take this run off. He's going to try and put some more distance between himself and his boy.
And he's so comfortable skating switch that it's really hard to tell sometimes. That kickflip frontside board slide is a perfect example. That was switch. This is switch. Frontside blunt slide.
Paul says in the last year he's really learned to relax and find
right here
an easy focus. Here we go.
Switch 360 flip. Now that is the same run that he went with last time. I think he landed everything a little bit cleaner, so it's going to be up to the judges. They're going to give him a better score for that one, but it seems like that's the run he came here to do. It is 86, but the side looks a little better.
Paul Rodriguez